Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, this move down hasn't taken out the previous lows yet. So this still actually could still be all part of a correction to this last move down. Because of this looking like the end of a correction on the higher time frames, and because of the US dollar index, I still think this potentially could go down big time, but that doesn't mean it may not pop up, and this may not be like a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C, and then it ends up continuing the downtrend. I personally wouldn't be trying to go long trying to trade this wave C because it may not even make a wave C. It may actually just end up doing something like this and just continuing the downtrend. So I am definitely still highly suggesting shorts. Unless we start to get a very significant break of structure to the upside, I would definitely still be suggesting shorts in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.